baako, mienu, miɛnsa, ɛnan, enum, nsia, nson, nwɔtwe, nkron, edu, dubaako, dumienu, dumiɛnsa, dunan, dunum, dunsia, dunson, dunwɔtwe, dunkron, afe, mpenu, ne, dunkron. Afe, mpenu, ne, dunkron. Hi, my name is Yao and you are welcome to the second lesson in our counting series. So in our first lesson, we actually combined two previous lessons on counting. Right? So in the two previous lessons, we had counted from 1 to 10 and also 11 to 20. Okay, so in our first lesson in the series, we combined these two, so we counted from 1 to 19. Okay, and today I want us to look at the 10th numbers. All right, so we are looking at 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then 100 in this lesson. Coming right up. Welcome back. So in this video's intro, we recapped the numbers 1 to 19, right? And to form the 10th numbers, we are going to need numbers 1 to 10, okay? So I want us to go back and look at numbers 1 to 10. So we had baako, baako, mienu, mienu, miɛnsa, miɛnsa, ɛnan, ɛnan, enum, enum, nsia, nsia, nson, nson, nwɔtwe, nwɔtwe, nkron, nkron, and edu, edu. Now, to form the 10th numbers, we are going to use just some parts of these, all right? Just some parts. So we are going to delete a part of each of them and maintain the rest, all right? And that's what we are going to do right now, okay? So for baako, we are deleting b, a, okay? B, a. For mienu, we are deleting e, okay? E. For miɛnsa, we are deleting e, okay? E, For ɛnan, we are deleting just e, okay? Just e. And for enum, again, we are deleting just e, okay? Just e. For nsia, we are deleting just all right? For nson, we are deleting just again, okay? Just For nwɔtwe, we are deleting again just okay? Just And for nkron, again, we are deleting just okay? And finally, for edu, we are deleting just e, Okay, A. So what we have left are ko, nu, sa, nine, num, sia, son, watching, kron, and du. Okay, so back in primary school when we're learning to count in Chi, we'll be asked to count bako, mienu, miensa, enai, enum, nsia, nson, watching, nkron, edu. And then we'll be asked to count ko, no, sa, na, num, sia, son, watching, kron, du. Okay, so it became sort of a competition for the fastest. Okay, so we go like bako, mienu, miensa, enai, enum, sia, son, watching, kron, du. And then we go like ko, no, sa, na, num, sia, son, watching, kron, du. Okay, don't mind me, but you get the idea, because our teachers knew how important these parts that we've singled out were. Okay, so we're asked to memorize both the full words and then the parts that we've singled out. Okay, so you can do the same. So now that we have these parts, the next and last set that we need are edu, 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 edia, 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 and edio, edio, edio. Okay, and these are essentially the same. The only reason why we have O at the end of the first one, A at the end of the second one, and O at the end of the third one is so that they fit seamlessly with the vowels of what we are going to attach to them. Okay, so the vowels in these three should be in some sort of harmony with the vowels of what we are going to attach to them. Okay, and this is what we call vowel harmony in phonology, but we are not going to go into detail here. Okay, so just know that the reason why these are different, because they are essentially not different, okay, but the only reason why they are different, as in we have O at the end of the first one, A at the end of the second one, and O at the end of the third one, is just so that they sort of be in harmony with the vowels of what we are going to attach to them. Okay, that's all you need to know for now. Now, the most important part of these three is do. Do. Do, okay, and you know what do is, right? So do is 10. After deleting the A in front, we have do, which is 10. So each of these stands for 10, right? 10. And by attaching nu, sa, na, num, sia, son, watching, kron to them, what we are basically doing is multiplying the number 10 by the number that that particular part stands for. Okay, so for instance, if we take edu, which is 10, and we attach nu, which stands for the number 2, right, from mienu. Okay, so nu stands for the number 2 from mienu. So if we attach nu to edu, what we are doing is just multiplying the number 10 by 2. Okay, and then we get what? 20, which is eduonu. Okay, eduonu. Again, if we take edua and attach sa, and sa stands for what? 3 from miensa. So if we attach sa to edua, which is 10, we multiply 10 by sa, 3, and then we get what? 30, which is ediasa. Okay, again, if we attach 9, which is 4, to edua, which is 10, we'll multiply 10 by 4, and we get what? 40, which is edianai. Okay, I'm sure you get the picture now. So now let's go ahead and recite the 10th numbers, right? Starting with the number 10, which you know already, right? So we have edu, 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 Aduonu, aduonu, aduonu. Aduasa, aduasa, aduasa. Aduanan, aduanan, aduanan. Aduonum, aduonum, aduonum. Aduosia, aduosia, aduosia. Aduoson, aduoson, aduoson. Aduowoche, aduowoche, aduowoche. Aduokron, aduokron, aduokron. And for 100 we have Oha, Oha, Oha. All right, let's check it again. So we have Edu, Edu, Aduonu, aduonu. Aduasa, aduasa. Aduanan, aduanan. Aduonum, aduonum. Aduosia, aduosia. Aduoson, aduoson. Aduowoche, aduowoche. Aduokron, aduokron. And Oha, Oha. Unfortunately for you, you would have to memorize which one of the Adio, Adia, and Adio gets which of the parts attached to it. Okay, so until we have a lesson on vowel harmony, you would have to memorize which one of them, so which one of the Adio, Adia, or Adio gets which of the parts. So the Nusa, Na, Numsia, you know, all those parts, which one of these three gets which of them attached to them. Okay, but fortunately for you, they sound similar. Okay, so as long as you're not writing, if you are speaking, you would sound like you are using the right one even when you are not. Okay, it's not good. You should try and memorize them, but for now you are good. Okay, all right, so this is where we end today's lesson, and in our next counting lesson we'll be counting from 1 all the way up to 100. Okay, so you'll be counting along with me from 1 all the way up to 100 with no breaks. Okay, all right, so until our next lesson,